Peter here, Piotr Fisner. Guys, so today let's speak about edge strip backlight in the TVs. That's mean a more crappy technology with a less contrast and other stuff. My friend told me as well that there is a one component, diffusion component, which can burn out as well. So yes, if you want to buy crap TV, for sure buy a LED edge backlight TV. I'll show you. I'll switch to the DSLR. Okay, so we got it here, and now I'll show you something. Let's plug it into the power, and let's have some fun. Let's wait. Okay, so you see this one is darker, yes, and then goes to the whiter part. So this dark spot here, that's mean this side of the LED strip is faulty. So let's switch off DSLR and let's move to the regular webcam. So guys, now to take it apart, it's really simple. You just take out the stuff at the back. Okay, so the main board power supply, power supply. Then you disconnect speaker. These are going off like. Okay, these are going. Maybe I could show you, but you will figure it out. It's really simple. You just pull it in one way and then pull it in the second way. You've got no other option. You can't pull it just to the top, because if you would do it, it would damage. Yes, and then you can detach metal. Here is, I don't know if I've got it here somewhere. Then there is can damage. Then there is a cover here for the driver board, and plus here are metal components which are for the stands, for the stand, for the TV stand. So these two metals, and plus this on this way, and plus you've got additional sensor for the remote as well. So you see what's there. It's really simple to disassemble, but we need to disassemble it fully, and then you will have on the edge here, on the edge, this plastic. Be careful when you're taking it off. It's really simple to damage it. Okay, when you've got a full LED TV, the cost of the TV it's higher. Okay, excuse me. So when they make these TVs, it's like they trying to sell you cheaper stuff for the same price. Okay, and I don't know if all of the companies, but most. So when you pay more money for less value, you're buying a crap, pretty much. That's my opinion. You know, maybe let's agree to disagree. Maybe you prefer to buy new one than you buying better. I prefer to drive Volvo XC90 from 2003 than driving Volvo XC90 from 2022, for instance. Yes, you might be saying you driving an old crap. Yes, well, my 2.4 diesel, it's 2.4, it's not 1.7 in that 2 or 2.5 tons car, so it's more robust, will drive longer, depending how I'm looking after it, of course, and special circumstances. And the same with those, you know, they are not built to last. Okay, they are not built to last. And if you buy those TVs, you support those companies. I would rather buy full LED TV, and I know if it will go wrong. You see these here, plenty of LED strips. These are used ones from other TVs. I can take one, cut it, mount it, or solder it, no problem. I have plenty of them. If any of mine, my TVs would go wrong, I can just replace it, yes? So this is not an issue, this is not a cost. Whereas if you're trying to fix those strips, I'm telling you, you don't wanna. I will be trying. I will be doing an attempt of fixing that strip. I never done it. I know that it's not always possible. And to be true, if I will succeed, I don't know. But we will do just for fun, you know, because this TV is my TV. If I will damage it, I will damage it. If I will take it out and I will replace the strip, I would have to pay at AliExpress, okay, for the strip, or actually it's a set of 2 strips for one side each, and then you know, then it's an additional cost, yes, and depend on the model, this can be higher or lower cost. But I'll give you just an example. The last TV I've done like this, I don't remember. I would have to go through the book repaironline.co.uk and, you know, and check what the TV was. But on eBay, I would have to pay £50 for those 2 strips, whereas on AliExpress I found them for like 25 and some pence. Yes, let's say 25.50. I don't remember. I remember that it was not, it was half a price of pretty much I would pay on eBay. But then again, you have to wait for a whole month for it to come from China. You have to answer yourself if that's what you want, yes? So edge strip, no, sorry. In my humble opinion, full LED is the technology which is most robust technology we can have. And just for an example, this is really, you see, this is really thin TV. It's not really thick, yes, at the back. LCDs are, you know, are the widest, and then the full LED is something in between. That's a Hitachi. That's not a full LED. Okay, so look, that's like this, yes, so it's not a lot, it's about 5 centimeters probably. Let's mirror it. Yeah, 5.5. So you see, 5.5 is really not bad. Why you have to have super flat, you know, on the wall? Really, you have to do it. And then fixability ratio is much less, and then availability of the parts, you need to order from China, wait whole month. Whereas with regular LED strips, I'm taking LEDs and I'm mounting them. I can put new ones, I can put used ones, depend if I've got a ready strip, then I can put a whole strip. If I don't have, I can just put single diodes and glue glass over them. Oh, like this. That's probably plastic anyway, or maybe it's a glass, who knows. But that's a full LED, okay? That's a full LED. That will consume a bit more energy, of course, because, well, it's only one strip, and you have few of them on the height, and 2 or 3 even of them you can have on the side. But here, each diode, yes, each diode you can replace, and that's the beauty of it. So if you've got 2-3 faulty diodes, you can decide, I want to replace all the diodes, or I want to replace only faulty diodes, yes? That's up to you. But whatever is happening, yes, you can have it done without waiting a whole month. So answer yourself, do you really want to go next time and buy a new TV with edge strip or full LED like this, yes, backlight? That's all I wanted to show you in this episode. I will open that TV and we will try to fix the strip. We will see how it will go. I don't know, no promises, yes. What I can say, please like and subscribe if possible. That's helping this channel, and that's all I can ask for. If you want to watch the episode where I will be attempting fixing an edge LED strip, just look at this channel, and for sure I will be placing such video. I know that you need a preheater at the bottom so that you can remove those diodes better. For me it's not okay. I've seen people doing it, that's why I want to learn it, because if so, I could order only diodes from AliExpress, like 200, 100 diodes or so on, yes, or 1000 diodes of different types, and then if I can learn it on my TV, and I've got second LED strip as well from different TV which I was fixing before, then if I can replace on those diodes, and I can prove they are working, and I can because I've got a backlight power supply for them, okay, special converters which you've seen on this channel if you're watching it. I've been doing Toshiba TV where I've installed it. Then we can, then we can be sure that we can fix those strips. Of course it will consume our time and some funds for diodes, but it's still worse technology. Still if I would have a choice of a full LED and LED edge, I would go for full LED, definitely. That's me, at least that's me. If you have any comments to that, feel free to comment down below. Otherwise, we've got everything covered in this video, 12 minutes video, so hopefully you've got some value out of it, and hopefully you will help me to not buy these crappy, no, these good full LED TVs, but not LED edge. Unfortunately with monitors it's worse, because I don't know if there are manufacturers who manufacture full LED monitors, yes. We should do a movement like right to repair. We should, guys, integrate. We should refuse to buy edge LED, because that technology is nothing close to the right to repair. Nothing close. It's getting worse, it's getting thinner, it's getting non-robust. You're buying stuff to probably, most likely, it will get faulty. It will, because if this will get faulty, it's easy to fix it. If that one gets faulty, you might not be that lucky. Yes, thank you guys. Please like and subscribe if possible. See you in the next video, and if possible, let's fix them all. Bye bye.